The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, Russian forces have launched artillery strikes at the concentration areas of the manpower from the 14th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Timkovka and Ivanovka of Kharkov region. Up to 20 Ukrainian personnel, 1 armored fighting vehicle and 4 motor vehicles have been eliminated. In the Krasny Liman direction, artillery units have neutralized the units from the 95th Airborne Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces and the 103rd Territorial Defense Brigade near Serebryanka of Donetsk People's Republic and Stelmakhovka of Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy has lost over 40 Ukrainian personnel, 1 armored personnel carrier and 3 pickups. In the Donetsk direction, successful offensive operations conducted by Russian forces have resulted in the neutralization of the units from the 57th and the 59th Mechanized Infantry Brigades of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. Up to 50 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 4 motor vehicles have been eliminated. In the South Donetsk direction, complex fire attack launched at the enemy units near Prochistovka and Zolotaya Niva of Donetsk People's Republic have resulted in the elimination of over 20 Ukrainian personnel and 3 pickups. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 2 ordnance depots of the 53rd Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces and the 108th Territorial Defense Brigade near Konstantinovka of Donetsk People's Republic and Orekhov of Zaporozhye region, as well as 62 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 105 areas. Counter-battery warfare operations have resulted in destruction of 2 US-manufactured M777 artillery systems near Seversk and Avdiivka of Donetsk People's Republic, 4 Polish-manufactured Krupp self-propelled howitzers near Avdiivka, Seversk and Zvanovka of Donetsk People's Republic, 3 D-20 towed howitzers near Nevskoye, Novolubovka of Lugansk People's Republic and Shaligino in Sumy region, 2 Grad multiple launch rocket systems near Artyomovsk and Konstantinovka of Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 1 Uragan MLRS near Seversk. Moreover, 2 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-50 and AN-TPQ-36 counter-battery warfare raiders have been destroyed near Artyomovsk and Dzerzhinsk of Donetsk People's Republic. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces have shot down 3 Su-25 airplanes of the Ukrainian Air Force near Yasinovoye, Pushkino and Maximilianovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense facilities have destroyed 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Ploshanka, Oborotnovka, Podkuichansk, Chervonopopovka, Golikovo, Zhitlovka and Kremenaya of Lugansk People's Republic, Valerianovka, Volnovakha and Yevgenovka of Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 370 airplanes and 200 helicopters, 2,866 unmanned aerial vehicles, 400 air defense missile systems, 7,465 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 975 fighting vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,802 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,992 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.